Hello guys, today I'm at Huahin and I'm gonna go in the noodle restaurant. This is punjaroshuahin. Let's go. And this is self-service zone. You can get it by yourself. This is fry wonton. This is fried crackling. And this is crispy pork. This is Thai coconut milk croissant. And this is a vegetable toast. You can get it for free. And this is the machine. And this is the menu. We can check it right here. Waiting for the food. Do you want some? Let's go. Let's eat some. Here is my noodle.